I'm gonna show you how to go from these super slow speeds, download and upload, to these massive speeds on the next one. We're gonna get to these kind of speeds. Boom. I'll show you the quick trick on how to do this. Wow, 3,000, let's go. All right, in order to get those speeds that I just showed you, you're gonna have to have one of these devices here. Well, this device here, this is a USB-C to Type-C, or USB-C to Ethernet port, 5 gigabyte, 5,000 meg service. So this will read up to 5,000. You must have a Cat 6A or better for this thing to work. Cat 5E caps out at 2,500. I think Cat 6 also caps out at 2,500, which is weird. So that's why I'm getting those up to 3,000 speeds upload and 2,500 download. It was inexpensive. It was about $25, $30. It's worth it. You can get more speeds. I have a BM540 motherboard on my computer, and it bypassed the internal Ethernet, giving it this Ethernet through the USB straight to the motherboard, giving it those high-end speeds. I haven't tried it on a new type of PC. I tried it on my laptop the other day. It didn't work. But this will give you really, really fast speeds with great latency, like 5 millisecond pings. So it's worth it. Pick one up, get one, let's go.